What's up, y'all? Let me get this picture. What's up? What's up? What's up? Cat day again. Again. She got some on that plant mail today that I was not expecting, but it's here. So let's get into it. Let me get my glasses on. Girl, girl needs this. Cause I take off my information because this is gonna be really, really quick video. We'll just hide that and just get into the goodies. Nope. Ooh, we're in a tubular case today. We're in a tube today. Okay. It's another Anthurium. And you see they got a Linda sphagnum moss with a little perlite with some fluff, with some polyfill with it. You know, call it the fluff. The polyfill. Let's give this baby some air, shall we? Mm. Let's pull off the polyfill and see. Oops. Okay. See what this baby looking like. Let's see what he's looking like up in here. I wasn't expecting to be up in this. Okay. Well, that is the Anthurium. What is it, child? The Pappy. It's a hybrid. It is the Pappy mixed with the Forgetti Eye. Okay. There they go up in there. Like so. Jesus Christ. Is that mold? Mm, mm, mm. Oh, I see roots growing. See if I got some fresh roots started already. I'm like, should I take it out or no? We'll just leave it in there and we'll just take care of the rest of that later. Yeah, there she go. So you know I gotta get the forgetty eye and the pappy maybe. We'll see how it goes because I done ordered so many anthuriums. I think I'm about through except for about two more I really want to get. The Delta Forest and the wing ling a strapping one child. You can find me a long boy and I think I might do that with the anthuriums for now until I see anything else. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about this cup here for it to be in a pot. But as you can see, it is two of them in there. So, shall we separate or just put them to keep them together? One can be a giveaway. How about that? All right. Well, that concludes this. I'm gonna move on. I might put it in. I'm really not feeling leaving this up in this bag. Yeah, let me get a pot. Find a pot. Yes, it's hella nasty. Let me find me a clean pot and call it the day, child. Hold on. All right, gang. Um, Yeah. Couldn't find a clear plastic pot nowhere. So clearly, I'm out of it. So this will have to be the choice, or this will have to be the next choice to put this baby in because him do look like he got a bit of roots. And it's two. Should I separate it in? Should I separate the baby? Nice. Let's pull this guy on out of here. Oh, feel like he's still attached to mommy. Feel like there's still a bit of attachment there. There is, there is. And great. It's grown in moss. Damn it, I hate to do this to these fruits. Good God Almighty. Oh my God. I have to pull these fruits off of this moss. I ain't trying to break nothing. It's a nice little compact right there. This is the fun of it all. Trying to pick root moss up off the root, root up off the moss, because they all become one. And I don't want to damage no roots. For baby, I'm just going to pick as much as I can without giving it root rot. And I put it in the soil. They don't budge at all. Gotta remove all of this as much as possible. Pickety pickety peck. Without picking the root. Jeez. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just giving girl more work to do. Well, they're separating. Ah, got two in one. That's like my Gloriosa. I think there's three in one. I believe there is three in there. Three little bushes in that little bush of a seedling that I got. And we're just gonna let them do what they do. I hope that wasn't no weaker snap. Jesus. I am trying to be gentle as possible. Oh, baby. We need every little roof that they little thing. Yes, we do. We want them all to live on and keep on growing. Yes, 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 yes. It's coming out, guys, coming out. All right. See about as best as I'm gonna get it. I don't want to be carrying that up. I guess that's gonna be it. Cause yeah, I ain't trying to carry that long. I don't want to break up, tear up none of the roots. And it looks like oopsies. Yep, got one. Sorry, babe. Try to be gentle. I try. Now let's see. Heel or heel. We'll do the small. We'll do the tiny one. Let's fill her in. Fill her in, fill her in. Like this. All right. Let me put some of this regular warm castings for this baby. And I want to go and get some flu, 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 flu. Oh, shit. Be plant for the aquarium stuff. Oh, Jesus, it's flying out my brain, child. Striatum, child. Go give me some striatum soon. Or the Anthurium that's just might come in like this and not even in no. Look like that. I need to go down a little bit more. Come in without soil. Drop that in like so. I'll backfill this baby quickly. This baby all wiggly wobbly. Okay. If I can open it, sprinkle some more on there. And yeah, you see this leaf is trying to get a little dark. I see a little darkness coming in there. I see a little hue brilliance. Okay, let's sit this baby upright. Put some put the same moss back on top of here. I think I'm seeing a cat. Catch a bird. Okay. Oh, yeah. This baby right here look like you should be good and straight. Ready to go. All right. There that baby is. And we're going to wet him down with some food. And yeah, we're going to dress it because they got some roots growing in. I know my camera sucks. It's not zooming in, focusing. But we're going to put some, if you can see right here. You see it. It's a root right there. That blurriness back there. You see right there. That little nub right there. Yeah, that's it right there. That's the little area root. I'm finna dress that. I'm about to dress it with this moss it already came with. Them roots is really fine somewhere. Find its home in. Just gonna help him out just a little bit. Just a bit. Yes, we are. All right. All right, all right. We're gonna dome it a little bit. Gonna dome this berry up a little bit. And then we're gonna water this sucker. And we're gonna call it the day. It's already diluted and everything, I believe. We'll find out, won't we? Give us some good old eating. We'll give him some good old eats. And we're gonna call this video a day, baby. That's what we're gonna do. Gonna call it a day. I think I can see the drip a little bit. Put this over here. Wait until that dry up. But yeah, just gonna give it drinks down. Cause we're gonna have him a little trip. Coming in with this bag. So we're gonna let him out so he can think he's still in his bag. You know he got no socks already coming out at the bottom. So the drippage coming in. One drip. Give it a slow little drink. Make sure that soil is good and saturated. Make the roots nice and happy, happy. And that concludes another video for today. Okay? So while the little babies don't turn up and face the sun, go whichever way they want to go. To the sun, of course. But yeah, that's it, y'all. That's another little baby that's coming in. Anthuriums and philodendrons. Maybe a Hoya. Hoya. I thought about the Hoya. But maybe a monstera too. Can't leave those out. Mustn't leave those out. But yeah, that concludes our baby and new guide for today. Mm-hmm. That's that. What is it? It is the crystallinum and the forgetti hybrid. Is that what it is? No. Bird. It's the pappy. Papillilaminumx. 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 The pappy and the forgetti hybrid. Okay, maybe we'll pick up the mom and daddy soon. Okay, I think I should be having a spaghetti eye. I gotta go check on that because I know I ordered a spaghetti eye. Or did I spaghetti eye? Forget it. Never mind. But let me check on my stuff that I ordered because I know I done purchased me a spaghetti eye. Yeah, so yeah. Yep, yep, yep. I know I did. I know I did. I know I did. I know I did. I'm gonna check on my spaghetti eye, doggone it. Because it's him daddy. Him mama and daddy, whichever it is. I got to check it out again, see whichever what sex I'm gonna put it to. But anywho, I should be getting it because I know I did. I know I ordered. I know I did. I know I did. But yeah, that came from where did I get this from? It came from Ohio, and I'm pretty sure it was an Etsy buy. And yeah, pretty good buy. I think. Let me see. Nope, it's an eBay buy. 28 bucks on top shipping. But yeah, there she go. And that concludes my video. I thank you guys for coming in, checking out my little babies. It's a hot summer, a hot summer. Don't judge me. I told you I got shit else to do. And besides, it's time to bring in some new ones, like I said. So what I said is what I said, and I'm doing what I said. Bringing them in. And I'll see you on the next one. Never ever forget who loves you, baby. And stay rooted. And I now holler. I'll see you around. Okay? I'll see you. Yeah. I see you on when I see you. I'll see you on the next video. Because there's still plans coming in. So stay tuned, people. Don't go nowhere. You ain't got shit else to do. I'm just playing. I holler, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.